Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace the battery in your Lexus RX350 remote. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR 2016 coin cell battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in, as the remote has small components. This entire process is quite straightforward and should take you less than 5 minutes from start to finish. Let's get started. Now, let's open the remote. Look for a small notch, usually on the side of the remote near the keyring. Take your small flathead screwdriver and gently insert its tip into this notch. With a slight, careful twist of the screwdriver, the two halves of the remote case should begin to separate. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic casing or internal components. The case will split into two pieces, revealing the circuit board and the old battery. With the remote open, you'll see the old battery. Before you remove it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Typically, the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Use your screwdriver to gently pry out the old CR 2016 battery. Now, take your new CR 2016 battery and carefully insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side is facing up. Just like the old one was, it should fit snugly. Finally, let's put everything back together. Carefully align the two halves of the remote case. Make sure the buttons and internal components are properly seated before you press the halves together. You should hear a satisfying click as they snap securely into place. Once reassembled, it's time to test your work. Go to your Lexus RX350 and try locking and unlocking the doors to ensure the new battery is working correctly. You've successfully replaced your remote battery.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.